Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Assetto Corsa on Android. While this popular racing simulator isn't natively available on mobile devices, you can still enjoy its incredible realism on your phone or tablet. The key lies in leveraging powerful cloud gaming platforms. These services stream the game directly to your device, allowing you to experience high-fidelity racing action from anywhere with a robust internet connection. It's a fantastic way to bring your favorite PC titles to your pocket. To get started, you'll need to select a reliable cloud gaming service. Popular options include GeForce Now, which streams games you already own, and Xbox Cloud Gaming, offering a library of titles. It's crucial to confirm that Assetto Corsa is available on your chosen platform. Remember, these services typically operate on a subscription model, often costing around $10 to $15 per month, providing access to a vast collection of PC games. Once you've chosen a service, download its dedicated app from the Google Play Store. Make sure your Android device meets the application's minimum requirements for smooth performance. For the best racing experience, we highly recommend using a Bluetooth game controller. Touch controls can be challenging for precise driving. Furthermore, a stable Wi-Fi connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or higher, is vital to minimize latency and ensure fluid gameplay. With everything set up, simply open the Cloud Gaming app and log into your account. From the game library, locate and select Assetto Corsa to begin your session. You might want to adjust some in-game graphics settings to optimize for streaming performance, perhaps lowering them slightly for a smoother frame rate. Now you're ready to hit the track and enjoy the incredibly realistic driving physics of Assetto Corsa, right on your Android device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.